Hi, Hayden here, and today in this video I'm going to be working on some of the overgrown area in overgrown field. None of this plant life was here some years ago. This was all basically a riding field. It was basically a field, open field for horses to ride on, pasture kind of stuff, and it was very nice. But a while ago it became a little bit much to take care of this field for the owner at the time. So this field was kind of let go to become overgrown field. Mosquitoes are out. It's 10:30 in the morning and the mosquitoes are going to be eating me alive. So I'm going to have to get suited up real quick here. But the ground here is wet. There's standing puddles around and everything else. But I am going to try to widen out this path that I have behind me here. I don't know if you can make sure I can get that in the shot. There we go. So there's the path. I've actually used the brush hog thing to walk behind brush hog. And I've cleared out a path and it goes down pretty far. Which is nice. Down to the tree line there actually is where it goes to. So I want to widen this path out and just make it wider and wider as I go along to try to get back this entire field. I will get it. In the dry season, I will absolutely positively be going nuts in here and getting this stuff done. There's mosquitoes all over me like nobody's business. Anyway, so let me get the brush hog over here and start working on it. All right, so hang on for that next segment. I will, of course, speed things up for you and edit them. All right. Got my protection on so the mosquitoes don't carry me away. Got Mr. Brush Hog back here. I'm starting to go to town on I was doing some brush hogging already. Let me see if I can show you this. All right, you can see there's a path going through here. Let me explain that real quick. The high grass is very lightweight stuff. I could actually run the 72-inch lawnmower over that. The 72-inch deck, that's how wide the cutting swath is. I can run that over that. There's a lot of down things that I chop down and stuff. Here, it's a water hazard out here. So if I was golfing, which I don't do, but if I was golfing, my ball would be there. Now, there's other stuff here that I chopped down a while ago. There's more stuff over here. The stuff in the background over there that looks like it's chopped up stuff to go, that's actually destroyed stuff because I hacked my way in along the fence line. I'm sorry, back over there. All right, so I hacked my way into that fence line over there. I'm sorry, it's over here by the tree. Anyways, I can't really tell. I can't see the monitor so well. I will be able to hack into that stuff over there, but it's wet underneath that tree. Now, what I've done so far is, well, I made this little path for my, for me to walk on, so I can see snakes or whatever, so I don't run over a snake. Because the snakes are good, all right? They're not bad snakes. Even the venomous ones, they're not necessarily bad, and they usually run away. And they're fast. Anyway, so I've been chopping away at this a little bit, and I didn't record that. But I want to take this part here, and my goal, I guess now, it's kind of evolved as I get into it. I see what I want to do, where I want to go. This, you see through here, right? I can get that over to this path here. And that really will open up a wide area, for me. And looking at what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and all that kind of stuff. Let me get this camera where I'll be able to set it up, start hogging away. All right, so I want to basically get rid of all this brush back here as far as I can. And that thing that I'm hacking on over there, let me get that first. And then I'll make a camera move later on. I'll just edit that move out and you'll see a different angle. I'm going to start out here and I'm going to go into that a little bit, all right? Really, if it keeps going easy, if it's an easy cut for me, I'll just keep going with that. However, today I do want to get rid of this stuff and I'll try to get that on video for you as well. But for now, let's just go ahead and jump on this. Let me see if I get my camera somewhat. I'm getting caught on thorns. Isn't that adorable? Anyway, so let's go ahead and I'll start working on this first and then maybe I'll work on that, all right? We'll see how it goes. Play it by ear, get done what I can get done as I can get it done, right? So, all the mosquitoes are finding me. Let's go incognito, right? All right, so let's go do this. Just want to make sure that I am recording. All right. on, let's get a little closer. Where the fun is. All right, go. I almost broke through over here. So let's see how I'm doing over here. All right, this baby's been eating. She's pretty hungry. And I'll bet she's pretty thirsty too. Let's get her refueled, come back at it and hit it again before the rain set in. And that's pretty much what I've been getting done today. And I got through here and widened this out pretty good. I'm very happy about that. All right, so let's take a break, get some fuel for the mower, get back at it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there's one thing I've really learned taking to heart working out here in the field, muddy field and overgrown field, is don't get greedy. Take a break when you need a break. Recognize the fact that you need a break. Shortness of breath, lightheadedness, whatever. Right now I'm short of breath from heaving that thing around. I'm going to make a standalone video about what it is I'm doing when I'm brush hogging here. What I originally had here is, if you look down this way, you'll see a path. Now I originally made a path behind this tree line over here, all right? And then I made this other path here because when I got back there and found that gate, I was looking, it's dipping on the tip of my tongues for the short guy that I am. And I saw that I could probably get through along this trail line here, along this tree line. So I worked on that, and I made that path. And that path came out around here, all right? Went around this tree thing, which is really, I think, part thicket bush, part tree. And then I brought it out here. Today, as you witnessed, basically I widened out the rest of the field. Now I'm going to come back to it and do more of this work on the brush hog today, but I'm not going to record it because you get the idea of what's going on and how things are going. And you get the idea of what I'm looking at, all right? Maybe I'll bring my tall ladder out here and climb on that and see what I got going. I don't have a drone, even though Misdemeanor authorized it. I'm still not happy with 100% of what I see. And if it's not the most effective and efficient for the return on the investment, I'm going to hang on to my cash. And I suggest everybody do that too, unless you want to chase technology, and you do not. Let me give you the example on that real quick, and I'm going to head this off and end this video for today. Don't chase technology. You'll end up being broke. Anyway, so with that, let me wrap this up for today. I got some more brush hogging to do, but I'm going to go take a break, get hydrated, relax, and come back out here and hit it again before the rains come and get me, all right? So until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.